Welcome back to the Mini Frugal Chef. Today I bring you a first delicious cherry tomato salad. We're gonna start off adding 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Oh, and by the way, here I have about a cup of fresh cherry tomatoes, and make sure to wash your cherry tomatoes very well. 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Now we're gonna add a little bit of salt, just like this, like a pinch, about half a teaspoon, and a little bit of pepper. Now we're gonna mix this. Okay everyone, so I finished mixing my ingredients and this is how my salad looks. And now I'm gonna add about half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and mix it all in there. Now, you can add more balsamic vinegar or you can add more olive oil. You can double this recipe as many times as you like, so you have more, and it can be your choice. Okay everyone, so this is how my salad looks, and this is a very easy recipe to make, and it does not take a lot of time. So let's taste it. I am really excited. Cheers. It tastes awesome. Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching. I know this recipe was really short, but it's really delicious, so make sure to give it a big thumbs up and follow the recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your bell notifications bell so you don't miss out on any of my delicious recipes. Bye guys, see you next time. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving.